Hello guys, how are you? I hope that everybody are very fine. I'm also very fine. It's the morning and I have come my garden and I have already worked in my garden. And look at this. This is the flower. It's my garden flower. Not only flower but also so many fruit uh, trees in our garden. Look at this. What's nice, and some of there have my garden is fruits. Okay, to see you everybody, look at this is which trees, do you know? This is the lemon trees, and look at this, so many lemons have in my garden. Actually it's not better, it's a very fresh. We get work in my garden, and this is the very we got very fresh air. And not only fresh air, so many animals come or butters come in my gardens, and it's a very good for everybody, so we will try to work in a garden.